Model 2019 Citroen Relay 35L3 BlueHDi 160 6-speed flat bed chassis cab recovery Euro 6. Body white flatbed. Mileage 183,772. Engine 1997 ccdw10 FUCA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a slight misfire, popping sound coming from intake, timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Should be a simple repair. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear.